Variables serve as named storage locations in a program, designed to hold data that may be accessed, modified, or referenced during execution. They provide a way to label and manage information dynamically, allowing the same memory address to store varying values as needed. Variables are fundamental for operations like calculations, decision-making, and data reuse, as their values can change in response to program logic or user input. Variables and their dynamic typing. First assignment, we will create a games variable and assign it a value of 150. We'll see the type and display the integer because 150 is an integer. Now we're going to change the type. Games is equal to Adel Cabbage. So we'll check the type and display. We reused the same games variable but this time with a string. The type has been changed. Games is equal between Hook, God of War, Uncharted, and Astrobot. We will check the type and display. Games is now assigned a list of games. Then, it will display the contents of the list. And then it will display the list class because it is a list.